back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a PR unboxing, and this is my first one since 2018. Oh my gosh, we're in 2018, you guys. Can you guys believe it? It is crazy. Could I say? I don't have any makeup on because after this I will be filming a video using new products. So let's get started. So the first box we will be opening is Facetory. You guys know I'm obsessed with this. This is a monthly face mask subscription, and you guys know I'm obsessed with skincare. I'm constantly trying different skincare just to see, you know, all the good stuff out there, what's gonna do this, what's gonna do that. I'm obsessed with skincare, and a big part of my skincare is face masks. So let's open it. Ooh. And the Juna collaboration with Sam. This is so awesome. She's such a freaking hottie. Believe in your journey, in your dreams, in yourself. Believe that you will be glowing. This is so awesome. If you guys want to save 20% off, they did give me a code Alexis20 for 20% off if you want to save some monies. I love when they write my name out. It says Alexisjayda. Hi Alexisjayda. Happy New Year. Your new red violet hair is so gorgeous. Oh, thank you. Here are some sheet masks for you. Hope you like them. Happy masking. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh man, this is going to be look at this one, you guys. That is so cute. Like, look at that. That is so adorable. Girl, you picked some really good ones. Okay, let me zoom in to show you guys. So this one is a no filter brightening camera mask. It's so freaking cute. This one is I don't know yesterday's brightening mask. This one is Simply When Cosmic Calm Stressed Out Skin Mask. Ooh, this one's pretty neat. This one is the Modeling Mask Serum. I love the pattern. Focus. This one is for wrinkle care. This is a Mojito Clearing Mask, Lime and Peppermint. And this one is the Magic Bubble Mask. So thank you so much to Face Factory, and congratulations, Sam. This is amazing. So thank you so much again. Next PR package is from Morphe. Ooh, I'm excited. Oh, they have tape all around this. I like that. Ooh, here it is, and it says make it a double. Oh, she's gorgeous. 24G Grand Glam eyeshadow palette. Girl, your eyes are looking nice. Ooh, you're pretty too. Okay, and it's $29 online and in store. Affiliate codes apply. And you guys know that I leave the affiliate codes down below. I'm not affiliated with Morphe, but I will help you guys save some monies and leave some affiliate codes down below. So look at the packaging. This is so freaking cute. You open it. Oh, that's so awesome. Go big and don't go home. 24G Grand Glam eyeshadow palette. Day or night, wet or dry, these 24 double duty shades go beyond the lids. Hello, killer highlight, and we size them up to 2.2 since we know a Morphe babe loves to play. You're welcome. Every time I read you're welcome, it reminds me of awkward, which is like, you're welcome. Like that. I don't know why it cracks me up. Wait. I was such a good mood today. I hope you guys are in a really good mood as well. Oh, it's just such a nice day. So I love the packaging, baby. Look at it. So fancy. Like, I love it. Damn, that is huge. Okay. And here is the inside. Very, very nice. Look at that. And the shadows are huge. They were not playing. So, guys know what this means. Let's get to swatching. So here's the shades up close. Oh my gosh, you guys, they are beautiful. These ones right here, definitely gonna use those as a highlight. Oh, yes. Here is the second row. These are very, very nice and pigmented. Like, wow. Very, very, very pretty, you guys. Here is the third row. Beautiful, you guys. Oh my goodness, look at this pink right here. So beautiful. And here is the last row. Very, very pretty, you guys. Like, I hope you guys enjoyed the swatches. They swatched very nice, and they are very, very, very pigmented. So yeah, again, this is the 24G Grand Glam. Oh, and you guys know I love the browns and the reddish browns. My favorite. Very beautiful. I would use this row right here for highlighting. Ah, gorgeous, gorgeous. Love it. Thank you so much, Morphe. The next boxes we have to unbox is my E.l.f. Beauty Squad. bad. I love e.l.f. I love them. I love them. I love them. I did peek, but I did not swatch anything at all. How crazy is that the holidays already here again? To help you shimmer and shine all season long, we're sending you all 3 of our new holographic highlighter duos and 4 stunner shades of our Stardust glitter eyeliners. Can't wait to see your gorgeous looks. Nice. So these are 3 of the holographic duo highlighting. So here is the packaging. Packaging is so nice. This one is Siren's Call. So here's the swatches of Siren's Call. This one is Blue Lagoon. There it is swatched. This one is Mermaid's Tale. And there it is swatched. So this is the glitter, and this one is Sea Foam. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's very pretty. This one is Sparkling Silver. Ooh, beautiful. This one is Shimmering Gold. And it's right here, but you guys won't really be able to see. But this one is Pink Opal. Okay, so on to the next box. Ew, I spit. On to the next box. Ooh, this one says, hey gorgeous. Spend time enjoying the holiday season and less worrying about dry, dull skin. To help add more hydration and glow into your winter makeup routines, we sent some of our best products to achieve a dewy, radiant full face. When you're on the go, remember to bring our active post-workout cool down mist to stay vibrant throughout the day. If you run out, don't worry, you'll be able to find our active line in Walmart starting in January. And I have seen it in Walmart. And this is their active mist. And then they sent me their hydrating face primer. Okay. And their highlighter blush gems. Oh, let's try you out. Ooh, that's pretty. So there's blush gems. It's a very, very light highlight, but very pretty. Yeah. And then we have their eyeshadow palette, Nude Rose Gold. Very pretty. Look at that. Nice. And there that is swatched. Okay, so the next PR package is from Perfusion, and they wrote my name out. So Alexis, finally, we hope these goodies of collections help you remove any holiday stress, and glad to call you a forever friend. Thank you, amor. Love you, love you, love you. Everything. Look at all that. That's so cute. Okay. I get so excited when things are like wrapped. This is a Mixed Metals Eyes Long Lasting Liquid Eyeliner Pen, 2 metallic liquid eyeshadows, and metallic eye pigment. Dang, that is pigmented. Look, you guys. Woo! That is pigmented. Then we have the Perfusion Metallic Eye. So we have this one right here, and this one is Cena. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Then we have Rose Gold right there. Oh, it's so pretty. And this is the Define Brows. I will be doing a separate video using this kit right here. Oh, I'm gonna do a video on this one. This one is the Nude Eyes. Look how beautiful that is. Pro Highlight Palette. And it has the highlighters right here. Oh my goodness. Here, and the brushes. And this one is Way to Glow. Oh, okay. And it has a liquid illuminator, 3 powder highlighters, and 2 brushes. I love using liquid highlighter underneath my foundation. I just like the way it gives my skin like a glow. So just, ooh, that's pretty. All right, do you guys see that? Let's just add 1 so we can do a video using these. Dip my finger in it. Oh, it looks so pretty. I'm gonna put my whole finger in it. Oh, that is pretty. Mix it in with the highlight. Okay. Look at that. Oh, let me zoom you guys in. Shine bright like a diamond. Yes. Okay, so I can't wait to play with the kit. And we'll do a video on it because that looks pretty interesting. We got some new palettes. Okay, so I'm excited. This one is the Eye and Cheek. And this one is an 18 color Eye and Cheek and brush palette. I am so excited. You guys let me know down below which one I should review first because they did send quite a few and I'm really, really excited. This one is the Blush and Bronze. Oh, this one's beautiful. This one is Naturals. This one is Sultry. And they sent me this really, really cool kit. This is the Mixed Metals Eyes and this one is in nudes. And the colors in this one is beautiful. Oh, let's just swatch this one. I can't resist. And there it is swatched. So freaking beautiful. I like it a lot. Look at that. So pretty. Their palettes are so nice. Look at this one. This one is Amber Eyes. And this one is Glam Face. So I want to say thank you so much to Perfusion Cosmetics. I have some videos coming very soon using these amazing goodies that you guys sent me. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Mwah! Okay guys, so the last PR package is from Miss A. It says, we wish you an amazing upcoming year. Keep being the amazing boss that you are. 2018. Oh, thank you so much. Okay guys, so they sent me some really cool goodies and I want to do separate videos for those as well just because it's so freaking cool. And look it. I love this bag. This one has coffee, it has Starbucks. Well, you know, it doesn't say Starbucks, but we know it's Starbucks. But, and it looks like it could fit a lot of room in there. And this year, I do want to go flying again. Talking about it gives me anxiety, but I do want to fly. And I feel like these bags would be perfect for it. Knowing that we have to have things like in a sealed, clear sealed bag, I'm like, okay, every time I look at things now, I'm like, I could use that. So they sent me a lot of cool goodies. They sent me 4 of their perfect setting powders. They sent me the shade Banana, Translucent, Brightening, and Soft Light. So I will be doing a separate video using the powders because you guys know I love setting powders. And they sent me a lot of their lipsticks. So let me zoom in so we can do some swatches. Look at the cute bag, okay? Oh, look at that. It's so freaking cute. Oh my god, those are so pigmented. This one is Fusion. Ooh, that just glided on like butter. This one is Pumpkin. Is Brick. So beautiful. And that one is Front Row. This one is Lady Love. This one is Rebel. Supple. Burnt. City Girl. That one is so pretty. This one is Spice. Frost Love Spell. This one is Caramel. See? And it all fits in this cute bag. Look at that. It just so cute. So these are the Perfect BB Cream. So we have the medium, light, and tan. Stay on the lookout because we're going to do a video on these. And then they also sent some Go Brow Fiber Gel. So I'm excited. I'm excited to put these to use. And you think that this is all you can fit in there, but no. You can like, it gets bigger. It gets bigger. So that is so freaking cool. So thank you so much to Shop Miss A. Oh wait, I lied. My hair's drying, you guys, so please don't mind it. It looks so fake out right now. They also sent me the crystal powders. So it comes like this. And look at all these glitters, you guys. You know your girl's gonna go crazy. So let me zoom in and give you guys a close-up of the glitters. So this one is Copper. This one is Opal. I can't tilt it all the way, you guys. I wish I could, but I can't. This one is Tintantine. I know I'm butchering that name, but hope this is a better shot so you guys can actually see. And this one is Light Peach. Packaging is just so adorable. Oh, wait. I wonder if I could show you guys like this. No, it doesn't do it justice. This one is Tiger Eye. This one is Crystal. This one is Ruby. This one is Onyx. This one is Rose Quartz. This one is Beryl. This one is gorgeous. This one is Aqua Marine. Those were beautiful. So they also sent me some more. So I'm excited to see what's in these ones. This one is Gold. Gold member. Oh, this one's beautiful. This one is Black Diamond. And this one is White Opal. Oh, this one is beautiful. This is Diamond. Look at that, you guys. Oh my goodness. This one is Rosaline. Oh my gosh. These are beautiful. Like, look at that. Beautiful. So this one is Antique Pink. Oh, beautiful. Look at this one. This one is Topaz. Oh my goodness. You are beautiful. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Oh, you guys, if I could just explain or you guys could feel what makeup does to me, it makes me so happy. This is making me so happy. Like, look how beautiful this is. Moonstone. Very beautiful. So that was everything sent to me by Shop Miss A. Thank you so much. I am so freaking excited. Oh, they were beautiful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. this is the end of my PR unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already to keep updated my videos. Make sure to let me know down below what items you guys would like me to review, and I will get right on that. I'm a planner. I am writing everything in my planner, making it out. Look how cute this is. Okay, look how cute this is. I got this at Ross for $6.49, but it is so cute, and I'm just going to be writing everything that I have to do. So I have my schedule of what videos to upload and stuff. Look at this one. So I'm recording my favorites video today. This is so cute, right? Like faves video. I don't know. I'm getting all into the whole planning and doing cute stuff with the planners. If you guys are into all of that and you guys do like cute planner designs and stuff, and you guys like find cool deals, let your girl know, okay? Let me know, okay? Because I was just like, oh, I never knew Hobby Lobby had so many cool things for planning and all that. I'm behind, and you guys know when I jump in something and I get interested in something, I go all the way, and I don't put my pinky toe in the water, I swim. So yeah, I got me a planner. Whatever you guys would like me to review, I'll mark it down and we can get right on that. So I want to say thank you guys so much for being an amazing fan bam, for always having my back and loving me and supporting me. I love you guys so much. I wouldn't be able to receive these PR packages if it wasn't for you, and I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. You guys mean the world to me. Te quiero mucho. Besos a todos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.